Hey, it's a beautiful day. And today we are heading to a mountainous with a beautiful peak view here in Cabadbaran. Let's see. The road already looks interesting. You want to join? Or take a look? Now in Bato Peak in Cabadbaran, Agusan del Norte. I would say it is like a mini Alps of Agusan del Norte. Very beautiful. You must come and visit Cabadbaran and see this view.
What time is it? 2:30.
So, that was the Bato Cabadbaran Peak experience. It was beautiful and we are a bit lucky that the rain started after we left, as in minutes after we left. And on the way down, there were some stones falling out, which is a bit dangerous. And don't forget to subscribe. Until then.